Hello students, today's topic is atomic structure. First of all, we will discuss about what is Dalton's atomic theory. Now, every particles comes exist in this universe are made up of some tiny particles are called as atoms, and the atom is again break up into subatomic particles, that is negative and positive and neutral, that is proton, neutron and electron. Okay, the charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, and the mass of electron is equal to 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kg, and the charge of proton is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, and mass of proton is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the minus 27 kg. Okay, and then the alpha particle, that is just charge is plus 2 times the charge of an electron or proton, and the mass of the alpha particle is 4 times the mass of the proton. Okay, the John Dalton was the discoverer of atom. Then J.J. Thomson, who was the discoverer of electron. Then Rutherford. Rutherford was the discoverer of nucleus. And Goldstein was the discoverer of proton. Then we have to discuss about Thomson atomic model. What is Thomson atomic model? It is simply, we call that plum pudding atomic model, also plum pudding atomic model. Okay, because in this figure the negative charge particles are as a plums in a pudding. That is, if we consider a watermelon, if the red part are the proton and the seeds are the electron, so the protons are uniformly distributed. So here the protons are, that is red part is in watermelon uniformly distributed. So here the positive charge, that is proton, is uniformly distributed, and the electrons are embedded like plums in a pudding. Okay, so this model is also known as plums pudding atomic model. So this is the alpha particle, this is the beta particle, this is the gamma particle. The charge of alpha particle +2 and the mass of alpha particle is +4 times the mass of proton. Beta, the mass of beta particle 0 and charge is -1. Gamma is neutral. Okay. And James Chadwick was discovered the neutron, and the Rutherford discovered the nucleus. Okay, then all are the basic concepts. Then come to the actual topic. First of all, we have to discuss about wave. What is wave? Now, the graphical representation of an oscillatory motion is known as wave. These are the crest, these are the troughs. The nearest distance with the distance in between nearest crest and nearest trough is called as lambda, that is wavelength, or the distance of one wave, that is called as lambda, that is wavelength. Okay, then come to the frequency. Now the number of wave pass a point in 1 second. How many number of waves? How many number of waves pass in 1 second. Okay, this is called frequency, that is denoted as z, hertz. Okay, then velocity, the formula, that is c is equal to lambda into mu, that is velocity is equal to wavelength into frequency. Okay, then amplitude, what is amplitude? This is the maximum displacement. This is the amplitude, this is the amplitude. Okay, then come to what is wave number. It is the denoted as mu bar, that is equal to the reciprocal of wavelength. Okay, or also we know that c is equal to lambda into mu, that is equals to, we know that lambda is equal to 1 by mu bar, that is 1 by wave number into frequency, that is frequency upon mu bar, that is wave number, and this is the frequency. Okay, then come to the black body radiation. Black body radiation, what is black body radiation? Now a perfect black body is a good energy absorber or radiator. If we consider a perfect black body, this is the perfect black body, then it is a good energy absorber and good energy radiator. Okay, a black body having capacity to absorb all colors and radiate heat. This black body having capacity to absorb all the colors. This black body having capacity to absorb all the colors and radiate heat. Okay, then come to the Planck's quantum theory. Okay, what is Planck's quantum theory? Now according to Planck's quantum theory, the energy comes from the sun in the forms of discontinuous energy. According to Planck's quantum theory, the energy comes from the sun in the form of photons, that is called as energy packets. Okay, if this is the sun, then these are the photon. Okay, these are the quantum, these are the radiation, and these are the energy. Okay, what is photon, what is quantum? The energy in the the energy packets in the form of light, what is photon? The energy packets in the form of light is called as photon. What is quantum? The energy packets in the form of heat is called as quantum. Then we know that the formula E is equal to h nu, where h is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. The energy packets comes from the sun is always in an whole number, so n is an whole number. Okay, then comes to Einstein photoelectric effect. Einstein photoelectric effect. Let us consider a metal surface. Here the electrons are bind with a work function, that is W0, that is equal to HF0. If we apply a kinetic energy, that is half mv square, then the amount of energy required to remove the electron is used, and if then a removal of energy, then it is used as the movement, that is the kinetic energy of the electron. Okay, so the formula is h nu is equals to, that is the energy we applied, that is the energy we applied breaks into h nu, that is work function plus half mc square. Then come to the topic, that is threshold energy. What is called threshold energy? The energy at which the electrons are removed from the surface of metal is called as threshold. The energy at which the electrons are removed from the surface of the metal. The energy at which the electrons are removed from the surface of metal is called as threshold energy. And threshold frequency, what is the threshold frequency? The threshold frequency, at the frequency at which the electrons are removed from the surface of metal is called as threshold frequency. Okay, that is the formula, that is h nu naught plus kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is equal to h common mu minus mu naught. Okay, what is then radiation? What is radiation? The emission of energy from a source as waves or as moving particles. That is, what is radiation? Now the emission of energy from source. The emission of energy from source either as a wave or as moving particle, Okay, the what is radiation? The emission of energy from source. If we consider sun as a source, then the emission of energy, we know that is photon and quantum. What is photon? The energy comes from the source in the form of light, is called as photon, and in the form of heat is called as quantum. So the emission of energy from source either as a wave or as a moving particle is called as radiation. Moving particle कौन? Alpha particle and beta rays. Then come to the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. What is electromagnetic spectrum? If we consider a prism and we incident a white light, then it gives 7 constituent color. Okay, that is in the form Vibgyor. Okay, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, these are the different frequencies. They have different frequency. Okay, and the device which used to break up white light into 7 constituent color is called as spectrometer. Then come to electromagnetic spectrum. Those spectrum are associated with both electric and magnetic field is called as electromagnetic spectrum. There are 2 types of spectrum. emission spectrum, and another is absorption spectrum. What is emission spectrum? The spectrum which formed by the emission of light from the source, that is sun, from which light source comes and falls on the prism and constituent into 7 constituent color. Okay, and here the bright lines are here. The bright lines are separated by dark. Here the bright lines are separated by dark lines. Or here bright lines are separated by dark lines. Okay. Here the opposite. The spectrum is formed by the absorption of light by a solution. If we consider a solution, if we give a light from the source sun, then it falls on a prism, then only it gives yellow and blue color. Okay, here the structure is dark lines are separated by white lines. Okay, here bright lines separate, here bright lines separated by dark lines, here dark lines separated by bright lines. Okay, then come to solar spectrum. What is solar spectrum? The spectrum comes from the sun is called as solar spectrum. It consists of 7 wavelengths. It is the sun, then the white light falls on the prism, then it gives 7 constituent color: B, I, viv, G, or. Okay, violet, indigo. Increasing order of wavelength, increasing order of wavelength, but decreasing order of frequency. Okay, then come to the long question. In the next video lecture we will discuss the long question, that is hydrogen spectrum. Okay, which consists of Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, P-Font series, Humphrey series. In the logic, लाई बॉय पानी बंचाए, लाई बॉय पानी बंचाए पैसा हो जाए. This is the logic to remind the hydrogen spectrum, that is Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, P-Font and Humphrey. लाई बॉय पानी बंचाए पैसा हो जाए. Okay, thank you for watching this video.